Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Watch 7 Ultra Clone Smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to have another demo of one of its smart features, and that is the Bluetooth music control function. As you can see here, we have this Bluetooth music control feature. On this video, we are going to try whether it works with popular applications, as well as if there's an option for volume control, or can we see a title while we are playing the chosen music or audio. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this demo for the Bluetooth music control for the Watch 7 Ultra Clone, drop a comment below. And again, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin. So let's go first with our application here. We do have the Fan Health app. Let's see if there are some options for the Bluetooth music control feature. So we are connected, as you can see here. We have an option. We do have here alarm, custom dial, remote camera. Okay, other settings, let's see. Okay, none. On the section here. Okay, so seems like there's no option. Let's wait for the ad to finish here. Set. Okay, none. Okay, so there's no option for the Bluetooth music control. Okay, I guess all you have to do is just open the music player here. Then let's open here our music control function. Let's see if it will automatically activate. Okay, deeper meaning. Let's see. Play. So where's the sound coming from? Okay, it's on the smartwatch. Next. Next. Pause. Next. Play. Go back. Go back. Stop. Okay, as you can see here, it works with our built-in music player on our smartphone. But there are some missing key features here. We don't have the volume adjustment. We also don't have here the title of the music. Okay, but so far it works. Next. Next. Go back. Pause. Okay, so it works with our built-in music player. Let's go with the Spotify application. Okay, we'll adjust the volume here to avoid any copyright issues. Okay, grenade, let's see. Does it work? Next. Okay, so it changes here, as you can see. Watch 7. Next. Okay, so far I think it works with our Spotify app. If we increase the volume, okay, we can hear that it's working so far. Next. Stop. Next. Okay, please check here. Okay, notice here it changes when we play the next. Okay, die for you. Next, within a bit. Okay, so it works with the Spotify application. That is very good so far. Next, the YouTube app. Okay, it is now loaded. Let's see. Let's try to check if it works with the YouTube app. Let's play this one. Does it work? Yes, it works so far. Stop. Next. Okay, as you can see here, it loads the next video. Next. Yes, it works. Stop. Go back. Yes. Go back. Okay, very good. So far, it works with our YouTube application. Next, let's have the YouTube Music. Hopefully, it works also. I think it works. It works with the YouTube app. There's a big possibility that it also works with the YouTube Music. Play. Let's pick a song first. Next. Yes, it works, as you can see here. Next. Okay, pause. Go forward. Go forward. Go back. Go back. Go back. Play. Okay, so it works with the YouTube Music app. As you can see, it works with Spotify. It works with built-in music player. It also works with the YouTube and YouTube Music application. So very good for our Watch 7 Ultra Smartwatch clone. Although there's no title or volume control, but so far there's no issues at all when it comes to Bluetooth music playing. Okay, so that's it for our demo of the Bluetooth music control function of the Watch 7 Ultra clone. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, drop a comment below. And as you can see, it works okay with our smartphone, okay, with the support app. So far, our device here is a Samsung smartphone, and so far, as you can see, we did not encounter any issues at all with the connectivity for our Watch 7 Ultra. So if you encounter any issues, drop a comment below. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.